All right, so we're on site. Another infrared patch that was laid down. It's going to be 2 years in August, right?
Yes, that's
2 years in August, man. And I'm here with Matt from Heat Design, and we're looking at an infrared patch that was put down. It was literally a pothole with dirt.
It was a pothole with dirt. Yeah, it wasn't quite. There was obviously some settlement underneath. Why that hole was there. It wasn't right down to gravel. So in this case, that's a perfect repair. We just want to heat it up, add in some new material, and refill it. Ideally, we could look at fixing the other areas around here. We didn't do it in this case because we're doing a little bit of a test. We want to see how long it's going to last. If this is a typical property that we're proposing, we would tell them that they should fix this as well. Obviously, that's not broken up yet. That could be something that's fixed next year or the year after. And that's what's critical, to try to build a maintenance program for them, that you don't need to fix everything in year one. If you're going to do that, then you might as well repave. But if they don't have the money to repave, then the next step is to do an infrared patch and maintain just the areas that need to be maintained.
What I've noticed is that anytime a crack shows up on asphalt and water gets into that crack, it erodes the foundation. It starts to erode that foundation. The asphalt can't bear its own weight, and you start to get all of these alligator cracks that start showing up.
Yeah.
And the alligator cracks, once they start showing up, it's on it goes into a rapid state of deterioration.
Correct.
And then from the next step from alligator cracks is pothole.
Correct. Yeah.
Right.
Water gets in up here in the north, freeze thaw, pushes the frost up. Asphalt comes out. Now that's over in the parking lot somewhere, and can't do anything about it. If we turn around and look at these spots over here, much rougher area, but that's a good example where they didn't do any maintenance.
It's toast.
It could have been a pothole to begin with, could have been an alligator crack to begin with. They didn't take that seriously. Now they're faced with having to rip up and repave that entire area, and probably costs 10 times as much as what it would have cost in the first place.